So in this video, I want to show you how to stop Capcut from auto-updating itself. If you've been having issues of your Capcut updating to the latest version and blocking out some of the features you normally use for free or access freely, and you don't want such to happen, whereby the Capcut app updates itself without your prior notice, without notifying you first, this is how to do it. Now, first off, go to your control panel and uninstall your current Capcut. I'm using Capcut version 2.9.990, although it was updated to the latest as at the time of making this video, which was Capcut 8.2, and in that 8.2 I could not access the auto captions. Yes, it became pro in 8.2, whereas in 8.1 it was still free and I could still use a lot of features for free until it got updated to 8.2. And to generate captions you need to pay for the app. I don't really use Capcut for much, just some minor video editing, nothing serious. If I was using it for some heavy stuff, paying for it wouldn't have been an issue. So now, to do this, I'll go back to my file explorer and get the version 2.9. You can use any of the older versions depending on what you want to do. And if you want to block access on your current app, on your current Capcut version, you can still do so. Now for me, I just want to use 2.9.990, which was released in 2024. I still have 2.5, 1.0, blah blah blah, but this is what I need. Okay, I'll just wait for it. Let me run it again. Okay, so I'll agree, install now. So once it is done installing, you ensure you open the app, then download an effect or a transition, whatever, then disconnect from the internet for the next processes to work. So it's installing. This is 99%. And it should be up in a few seconds. This caption was why I had to find a way to stop it from auto updating. %. So I'll click on start now. Testing environment, blah blah blah. Then I'll click on confirm. So this is your Capcut version is updated, blah 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 blah. I don't really care. I'll exit this, go to transition. Now let me show you why I want to do this. Let me turn this off for a while. If you go to, now you need to do this, go to your view, go to show file extensions, and then hidden items. Go to your local disk, go to users, then your username, app data, local, Capcut. Now when you get here and you go to user data, okay, now there's download, but without doing that, without opening the Capcut and trying to access transitions, effects and stuff, you'll not be able to see this download folder. So now that we have this, I can easily close this out. I'm already disconnected from the internet. So now that I am here, I'll go to this download. I'll create a file. It's supposed to be a text file. I'll go to new text, then I'll mark all, then capital U update.exe. Do you want to change? Yes, I'll change it. Now after renaming the text file to update.exe, go to properties, then select read only, click on apply. Okay, then go to copy this, come back to this, come to apps, go to 2.9 blah blah blah. The current version you are on, I'm on 2.9, then overwrite. I'll locate it. This is it. If you go to properties, you still notice that it is on read only. Now what this read only does is that it tricks Capcut into believing that you already have you are running on the latest update. Now to try it out, open Capcut. Let me get back to my internet. Oh sorry, I think I got it mixed up. Now I'm here. I can now pin this. I'll go to update, go to this, I'll uncheck this. Then if I click on update, current is the latest version. If I click on it again, so this is now working. It will not have any means of updating itself without my permission, because on inside the apps folder, the fake update.exe that we created is there, and then inside our user data, inside this download, we still have this update.exe there too. So there's no need for panic or to update again. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your friends and family so that other people will get to enjoy this free update. Thank you.